What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I'll show you how to sell Solana on Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly sell your Solana that you currently hold right now on your Phantom Wallet? Well, the thing with Phantom Wallet here, if you want to sell this, it's not currently supported on the platform. So in this case, if you access your Solana, your Phantom Wallet here, like I'm doing right now, and as you can see, there's only like 4 buttons that you can access here. You can send, you can receive, you can swap, and even buy. Now, the only thing that's missing here is selling. Now, again, like what I said before, you won't be able to do this on the platform itself, but you could use another platform to basically get around this. So what you need is you need to access or have an account with a platform that actually lets you sell crypto or any of the assets that you currently have. So there are going to be a lot out there. Like for example, we have Binance and we also have Coinbase, which in this case, what we'll be using today. Now, if you're wondering how do you create your account, creating your account is fairly easy here, but there are going to be some verification. But I'm assuming here you already have an account here on Coinbase. So how do you exactly sell your crypto? Now, first things first is we want to get the address that we want to receive our Solana. So in this case, in Coinbase, you would want to go ahead and click on the receive crypto, search for Solana here, click on it, and go ahead and just click on the copy button that you see here. Now go back into your Phantom Wallet, click on the send option, choose Solana, and from here you just need to enter the Solana address and also the amount that you want to send. Now, by the way, it's actually unnecessary that you know which network you're using. So in this case, you're receiving Solana on the Solana network, which in this case in Phantom Wallet, it is actually using the Solana network. So you don't have to worry about it. So Solana by default uses the Solana network here on Phantom Wallet, but just make sure the network itself is matches. So if not, it might lose your crypto. But yeah, go ahead and specify the amount here that you want to sell. Go ahead and click on next, or you want to go ahead and send, click on next. And once you've done that, you just need to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes in order for your Solana to arrive in your account. But once you have that, what you need to do is you just need to go to the right side here, and you want to just click on the option here that says buy, sell, convert. So let's go ahead and click on sell here. You want to go and specify the crypto that you want to sell. So in this case, go and select Solana. So if you have any, and just choose the option here to cash or USD. Now, just make sure this cash USD here is we'll be using that to cash out. But in this case, just click on review order, confirm a few things. And once you've done that, you have your USD on your account, just click on withdraw cash here. And basically specify the amount that you want to withdraw. And just fill out the details necessary here, like your banking details, in order for you to basically withdraw your funds here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.